Here are 5 amazing things that Google Home can do except of turning off and on light and closing Windows shutter. So let's start. Okay Google, remind me in 5 minutes to call Dad.
Alright, I'll remind you at 4:50 p.m.
Okay Google, set alarm in 2 minutes.
You got it, your alarm's set for 4:47 p.m.
Okay Google, what restaurants are nearby now?
I found a few places within 2.1 kilometers. The first one is Vivino Herb Heidelke at MMPs. The second one is Sushi Denia, Liberia Street 2, Haifa. The third one is Domino's Pizza Einstein at Albert Einstein Street 139, Haifa.
Now is the 4 things. Okay Google, my mother's name is Rebecca.
I couldn't find a contact named Rebecca. Can you tell me your mother's name again to make sure I got it right?
Rebecca.
Okay, in order to remember that Rebecca is your mother, I've created a new contact named Rebecca.
Let's wait now for the alarm to start in a few seconds, and then we will continue to the last amazing things you can do with Google Home. It will start within a few things. So the first one was to remind things. The second is to set alarm. The third is to find restaurant near my place. The fourth is to remember people name that are close to me. And the last one is to check. Okay, this is the alarm. Okay Google, stop. And the last thing is to find which restaurants are open now. So let's see it. Hey Google, which restaurants are open now nearby?
Vivino Herb Heidelke is normally open at this time on Saturdays and closes at 11 p.m., but these hours may be affected by first day of Passover.
Okay, so as you can see, it also finds the nearest restaurant that are close to my apartment. So let's go over all the 5 amazing things again before we will sound the alarm. Okay, so I've asked him to remind me something in 5 minutes. This is the first thing. The second amazing thing is to set an alarm in a few minutes or hours from now. It will calculate the time by itself. The third thing is to find which restaurants are near my place. The fourth thing is to let Google Home know people that are your family. It is just learning them. And the last one is to check which restaurants are open now. So let's see that it remember. Hey Google, what is my mother's name?
Your mother is Rebecca.
Okay, so it's remember. Now let's wait for the 5 minutes that will pass in a few seconds, and we ask Google to do something. So let's wait till it happens. Of course, you can set Google to close binder and window shutter, and also to turn on and off outlet power and lights and boiler and other home automations that you may have. And also it will do much more by learning and explain Google few things about yourself. But maybe the bad things that, okay?
I have a reminder for ROEE.
Okay. Okay, Google, what's the reminder?
Hi, ROEE. You have one reminder, a reminder called Call Dad for today at 4:50 p.m. You can check for updates like these at any time by asking, what are my notifications?
As you can see, it also reminds all the things, and you can few days later ask and check what were the reminder and see what you had. So these are the 5 amazing things about Google Home. Thank you and bye bye.